Hello, welcome to the Gin Guide's how-to series on classic gin cocktails with me, Alex from The Cocktail Vibe. Today we're going to be making this White Lady cocktail using Highclere Castle gin, which features orange peel, lemon peel, lavender and oats from the Highclere Castle estate. So you're going to begin with 50 millilitres of your gin, which is also 2 ounces, and 25 millilitres of triple sec, which is roughly an ounce. Perfect. 25 millilitres of lemon juice, also an ounce. And today I'm going to be adding in an egg white, but you don't have to add this step if you don't want to. It just gives the cocktail a nice texture. Dry shake so all the egg white mixes in, and so the cocktail has a nice frothy finish. Now ice into your shaker and shake that up. Strain in that gorgeous White Lady mix, looks delicious. And a lemon peel for garnish. And there you have your White Lady cocktail. Cheers! Be sure to check out other classic gin cocktails at theginguide.com and follow at The Gin Guide on all social media. If you want different cocktails, follow at The Cocktail Vibe on Instagram. Cheers!